Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. My name is Paul with Angie's Attic Care LLC, and we're going to be discussing nuisance animal removal. That's right, nuisance animal removal. Whether you're having squirrels in the attic, raccoons, flying squirrels, ground gray squirrels, mice, rats, whatever the rodent may be, we can give you a successful exclusion, and we give you a 3-year written guarantee. We do all our wildlife removal humanely. The state of New Jersey wants us to protect their wildlife. And we have a video for you on a recent job that we had done in Montclair, New Jersey. Here we go.
Serving northern New Jersey, central Jersey, and the Jersey Shore. We're here doing a double mixed treatment, squirrels and raccoons. And they're coming out, quite a few of them, and they're just frantic. You can't get back in. They've been served the eviction notice. We offer not only squirrel raccoon treatments, but flying squirrels, possums, you name it. We do it all.
That's right, folks. No matter what the rodent is in interior in your structure, or if you have any animals, whether it be groundhogs, raccoons in the yard, we do trapping as well. We are a 24-hour service. You can give us a call anytime. Our number is 862-658-2086. Again, that number is 862-658-2086. Our technicians are standing by. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.